everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I am super excited because my July BoxyCharm just came in the mail. I haven't opened it up, but look how freaking cute the box is this month. Like little lemons and oranges on it. So it's different than last month. So this is the second month since they've had their price increase. And last month the box was like one of those, it looked like a drawer type thing. You pulled it out. So I wasn't sure if they were going to continue doing that, but I guess that was like a one-time thing for June because now it's just like their typical box. Mine's so full, it's not even like closing right now. So I'm super curious to see what is inside. So if you do not know what Birchbox is, it is a beauty subscription and you get like sample size items. They recently raised their prices from $10. So if you're already with them, you now pay $13 a month, or you can pay $15 a month if you're a new subscriber. I actually have a referral link that I could share with you guys down below where you can get $9 off your first 3 months. So definitely some savings there if you want to try it out and see what it's all about. I thought last month was definitely worth the price increase and it was super great. Last month I chose one of their curated boxes. So each month you get to either have a complete surprise, choose a curated box. They have multiple now. It used to be just one. I think there were 4 this month. Or you can choose a sample. So last month I chose one of the curated boxes so I knew it was coming. This month I chose a sample so I only know of one item coming inside. I kind of wanted to do this just to like get a better feel about, you know, is it worth it? Because last month I think yes. So now you guys have to help me after I unbox. Let me know your thoughts down below and we can see if it is worth the price. But so far, loving the box, super cute. I'm probably gonna save this one and use it for something, but let's see what's inside. So there's a card on top with a person on it. That's different. It says, I became proud of the shape and size of my small breasts when I recognized during my pregnancy that I was capable of sustaining life. Now I'm much less inclined to hide that part of myself. Love you, Jessica. So I wonder if like love you is the theme this month and they're giving like some quotes by some beautiful women on how they decide to love themselves. I'm not sure, but on the back of that there are there's a list of all the items that come inside along with a quick description and the full size pricing. Oh, and on the bottom it says, love you. We want your Birchbox to be a reminder to take care of yourself inside and out. The person on the front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her skin. Oh, that's great. And it says you can see all of the women at the Birchbox website. So awesome. Jessica is on the cover of mine, or on the front of mine. And underneath, this is what I see. There's just a bunch of items in here. And there is a little card here that says Birchbox just for subscribers, 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes. I love those. If you guys have been around, you know I love especially putting the discovery kits in my giveaways because I find it's a good way for you guys to try more things. And their limited edition boxes are great too. So this coupon works until the end of the month, so this is awesome. And on the back it says, our hand-curated assortments available only in our shop are another great way to discover, learn, and treat yourself. Limited editions are amped-up versions of monthly boxes with full-size products and luxe packaging. Discovery kits are your chance to explore and elevate your routine with need-based collections. If you guys want to see limited edition boxes, I definitely can get them and open them on my channel. I wasn't sure if that was something you guys are interested in, so I will definitely purchase them. If you want to see them, let me know down in the comment section. But let's dive into the goodies this month. So the first thing I see, this is actually something I think I've tried before. This is by Divines or Divines. This is their Menu Shampoo, Illuminating Protective Shampoo for Colored Hair. And I remember really liking the scent of this. I think it's made with Caper Blossom Extract. It smells good. It's kind of warm. I literally like just pulled this from my mailbox outside, and if you do not know, I live in Southwest Florida and it is very hot here, so even if it's outside for just a little bit, it gets warm. So it looks like along with the shampoo there's also 2 packets. So I'm guessing these are all kind of in one. So we have the shampoo, and then in the same line we have the conditioner and also a hair serum. We have these 2 packets here. So these 3, let's see if there's some more information on this. Okay, so yeah, it says Divines, the shampoo and conditioner. The full size ranges from $29 to $33, and it says it's infused with protective caper blossoms. This eco-friendly duo gently cleanses and hydrates without stripping color. Hair is left shiny and soft, and the citrus scent can't be beat. I can see my cats behind me. I know they're about to get wild. So I'm gonna like pause for a second. What are you guys doing over there? And then the hair serum for color treated hair, the full size is $26. This lightweight leave-in hair treatment helps keep color from fading while boosting shine. Bonus, the fresh citrusy scent smells delightful. It does. All right, next up, this is something I have tried as well. This is the Pure Leaf Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. It smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. I recently got this in a glossy box. It wasn't this month, it was like a past month. I haven't gotten it to it yet because I have other sugar scrubs and stuff opened. So I may add this to my giveaway drawer. We're not too far away from my next giveaway. If you're new here, I typically do giveaways at every like milestone, like subscriber milestone to give back to you guys. So my next big one will be 6,000 subscribers. So if you are not yet subscribed, we'd love to have you join us. But let's read more about this. And this Pure Leaf is new to Birchbox, it says. It says this full size is $36. Exfoliate and hydrate with this antioxidant-rich scrub that promotes skin elasticity and clarity. In the shower, massage into your body in gentle circular motions and rinse. And this does work very well. And I think the coffee in it really helps also with like cellulite if you have a problem with that. Scrubs do, just like the general motion plus the coffee. Let's see if it says it. Yeah, coffee reinvigorates and awakens skin. And then the sugar cane exfoliates, and yeah, a bunch of good properties. I really did enjoy this item. And then we have something by Dr. Jart. This is something that will also go in my giveaway pile. This is the Cisapair Derma Green Solution, the Tiger Grass Coloring Corrector Treatment. This is supposed to neutralize redness and protect skin. It improves the skin appearance to be vibrant. It also has broad spectrum SPF 30. So this is what it looks like. And so it says this is great for summer. The full size is $52. Wow, this is pretty small. Does it even say how much is in here? This is 5 mLs. I'm not sure what the full size is, but I'm guessing it's a lot larger than this. It says this SPF face cream looks green at first, but seamlessly blends into the skin to reduce redness and the appearance of dark spots for an even looking complexion. So I'm pretty sure Dr. Jart is not cruelty free, and that is why it will go in my giveaway pile, but I'm just gonna do a quick Google search to double check. But yeah, I remember correctly. So this Cisapair, this Tiger Grass color correcting treatment will be going into the future giveaway. Next up is the item that I chose to be in here, and this is something I've used. I feel like I keep saying that, but I mean, I've tried a lot of things from my boxes in the past, but I knew I liked this and wanted to try it. This is the Balance Me Natural Skincare Congested Skin Serum, and this is 99% natural. And I love this. I am acne prone. I definitely get some breakouts, especially around my chin area. I think they're mostly hormonal, but I like having stuff like this for around that time of the month whenever I get breakouts. So it says this on-the-spot soothing gel is designed to diminish blemishes and calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. Smooth a small amount of gel directly onto spots, blemishes, or all over the skin prone to breakouts. So I really do enjoy this stuff, and I think it works really well. It's been a while since I've had it, so I'm super excited to have it again. And this is a pretty good size. It's honestly not like a full size, but 7 mLs, and if you only do like spot treatment, or if I only treat my like chin area, this will last many uses. So the full size is $23, and on here it says it's a Birchbox favorite. This calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment refines pores and balances skin without drying it. Apply a thin layer to cleanse skin or directly onto any blemishes. So awesome, definitely happy to have this again. And then it looks like we have an eyeliner. So what is it? This is Marcel Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is in, it's like a brown shade. Does it say? Oh, espresso. So awesome. So I don't think this is full size, but this will last me forever. Like, I actually used a brown type eyeliner today. I don't always use eyeliner, but I want to start using it. And when I do, I definitely prefer like pencils. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, it's like a deep brown. Awesome. I guess are they cruelty free? I don't even know. I think so. The Marcel Waterproof Eyeliner. Oh, that's awesome. It's waterproof. The full size is $14. It says this blendable waterproof eyeliner is in a deep brown shade, goes on smoothly and stays put. Reads sweat and tears don't stand a chance. Oh, this will be really nice to have because you know, like I've already mentioned, it's really sweaty weather here. I'm probably sweating right now in this video. And if I'm going in the pool or a Gulf or anything like that, I'll definitely reach for this. It's good to know that it is waterproof. And it looks like there's one more thing in here, and it is a face mask, and I love face masks. This is by Karuna. This is their hydrating face mask. Natural fiber sheet mask made with soybean hyaluronic acid to help skin restore moisture. Paraben-free, dye-free, mineral oil-free, dermatologist tested. So this is the packaging. And this is the brand also new to Birchbox, along with like the Pure Release. Oh, there's an expiration date on here. That's interesting. So this is one, this is the Chosen Sheet Mask, is used by celebrity makeup artists and beauty experts. It's after just one use, it hydrates, revives, and you get results in 20 minutes. So that's awesome. A mask was considered a full-size item. So this is $18 to $28, so that probably varies based on how many you buy. Wow, that would be crazy if one of them was $18. It'd be like almost as much as that $32 mask from 111 Skin. But this sheet mask is proven to increase hydration after one use. Layer the included under eye booster patches, which target fine lines under the mask and wear until they dissolve. Oh, so this also comes with under eye mask thing. So you put like, there's like 2 different pieces that come in here. That's cool. I didn't realize that. There's one sheet mask and then one eye mask. So awesome. I'm excited to try that. And it says the under eye booster patches dissolve. So I've never tried anything like that. So I'm definitely curious about that. But yeah, so that was the last item. Honestly, this month wasn't as good as last month. If you missed that video, I will link that down below. I am still happy to try a lot of these. So the face mask, super excited about. And of course the Congested Skin Serum. This is another one that's a plus for me. The eyeliner, I love that it's waterproof, and I like that it's brown too. I have so many black eyeliners, I'm kind of sick of getting those, so getting a different color and like a deeper brown, I don't think I have one exactly this shade in my collection, so happy to have that. I mean, I don't get like too pumped about like hair products, but I don't mind getting a smaller size for travel. I'm hoping to have some travel plans this summer. I haven't booked anything yet, but I'll save these for when I do go on a trip, because I don't think I have too many sample like hair products right now, so this is the convenient time to get these in my life. And I do really like this Pure Release body scrub, but I am going to put this in my giveaway drawer, and I can't use the Dr. Jart item, but you know, out of all of these, having one I can't use, like, or choose not to, that's not too bad. Whoa. I just heard a cat like scream in the background. Sorry if you heard that. They're a little wild. They got up from their nap just a little bit ago, right? Of course, when I start filming. But yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Again, if you want to save some money on Birchbox, I will leave my link down below. This was my very first subscription box, and I'm very loyal to them. I love it. Last month was probably one of my favorite months ever, so yeah, I think this might be one of my favorite actual physical boxes, but the inside's not my favorite month, but I'm not too disappointed. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!